Check out what we've got right here at the Trading Post. A one-owner, Carfax certified, only serviced by Ford Bronco Sport. It does have the Big Bend four-wheel drive off-road package. Brand new tires all the way around. This thing is as new comes, guys. And we have it here, Trading Post in Conover. It's got your backup camera. It's got your roof rack. Wait till you see how clean the inside is. This is where the one owner shines. It's as new can be. I told you guys, it has the bend package on the inside with the easy to clean seats. It has the easy mats that come out. Big 8-inch screen with Sync 3, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, this is four-wheel drive, 76,000 miles, Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. Check out my new website to apply, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. 2021 Ford Bronco Sport, 76,000 miles, new in the wrapper, and we've got it. Trading Post. Just wanted to give you the high definition video. New tires, serviced out, Carfax certified. What are you waiting for? Again, tradingpostcars.com, 828-464-0600. Call us today. You're going to love it here. You're going to love your new Bronco at the Trading Post. Call us today.